To automatically create an applique, open a graphic to be digitized as an applique. In this example, we have an octagon-shaped design. Select the applique tool from the input toolbar. Right-click on the tool to access the properties. The applique properties is displayed. The General field is where you specify general settings. To select the applique background, click on the drop-down arrow for applique background. The background simulates your applique material. You also have the option to change the outline properties. This is your cut line that you will be digitizing for the applique. Typically, a normal stitch is used at a stitch length of 25 to 30. Click on the OK button. The Color Change Enable input box is defaulted on. This will add a color change between the cut line and the tack down or cover stitch. The tack down stitch field is where you specify the settings for your tack down stitches. The tack down is used to hold the applique in place. The Enable input box is checked on. The object type is your tack down stitch type. A column object is used. Click on the Properties box to set up the stitch type for your tack down. There are many choices for this stitch type. Let's choose a zigzag stitch. Then click on the OK button. The column width is the width of the zigzag tack down stitch. This is measured in points. The inside-outside slider bar is used for placement of the tack down stitch. 80% indicates that the tack down will be 80% inside the cut line and 20% outside the cut line. You can choose to put a color change after the tack down, but in most cases this is not necessary. The cover stitch field is where you specify the settings for your cover stitch. The Enable input box is checked on. The column width is the width of the automatic applique that you will be creating. Select the Properties box to choose the stitch type. There are many different choices for the stitch type. Let's choose a satin stitch. Then click on the OK button. The inside-outside slider bar is used for placement of the cover stitch. 80% inside indicates the cover stitch will be 80% inside the cut line and 20% outside the cut line. Click on the OK button to begin digitizing the applique. When digitizing using the applique tool, you will be digitizing the cut line. The cut line is the actual applique. Define the outline by digitizing your design with straight and curved points. Left clicks are for straights and right clicks are for curves. When the shape is complete, press the Enter key on the keyboard. The status bar at the bottom of the screen prompts you to input a hole. We do not have a hole, so press the Enter key. The applique is automatically created. If you need to change the applique properties, select the applique in the project view. Right-click and choose Properties from the drop-down menu. You can now choose to change any of the applique properties. Click on the OK button when the changes have been made.